BrightBYTES! Hey, Champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where learning becomes easy and fun! Today, we're exploring something truly amazing! Generative AI for visuals! Let's unlock it with the 5 W's. So, what is Generative AI for visuals?
Generative AI is a special kind of computer program that learns from millions of pictures and patterns. When you tell it an idea, it uses what it learned to create a brand new picture just for you.
Oh, wow! Where do we actually use it?
You'll find it in art, apps, design tools, games, movies, ads, and even school projects.
And when do we use it?
Anytime you need a new image, for homework, social posts, creative projects, or just for fun.
Amazing! But why is it important?
Because it brings your ideas to life without needing to draw. It's like having a speedy artist who can make anything you imagine.
Oh, I see! So, who gets to use generative AI?
Artists, designers, students, businesses, and even people making funny memes. So, generative AI for visuals is all about turning words into pictures. Fast, creative, and just the way you want.
Try it yourself! Make your own characters, posters, or art pieces in minutes. That's it for today, Champ! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning with BrightBYTES! See you in the next one!